Have you ever wondered about cities hidden beneath our feet? Imagine entire communities built underground, safe from danger. In this video, we'll explore the world's largest underground cities and their fascinating history. Underground cities have been built in various parts of the world. People created them for protection from wars, harsh weather, and invasions. These cities provide a sanctuary and a unique lifestyle. The construction process of these underground wonders is impressive. First, workers had to carefully plan every detail. They selected soft rock areas for easier excavation. Then, they meticulously carved out rooms, tunnels, and storage areas. Ventilation is key in underground cities. Engineers designed ventilation shafts that allow fresh air to circulate. These systems ensure safe and comfortable living conditions below the surface. Take a look at the city of Derinkuyu in Turkey. This astonishing underground city reaches depths of up to 60 meters. It could shelter over 20,000 people. With its intricate tunnels and rooms, it truly is a marvel of ancient engineering. Another notable example is Montreal's Réseau in Canada. This vast complex spans over 33 kilometers. It connects shopping, residential spaces, and public transit all beneath the streets. In summary, underground cities offer amazing insights into human ingenuity. They showcase how people adapt to their surroundings for safety. If you're fascinated by history and architecture, explore these cities further. Discover more about underground engineering, visit these sites, or share your thoughts below. Let's keep this conversation